amigos, ¿cómo estás? Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to be showing you a puppet video. Yes, I'm going to show you a puppet video. He's Pedro and he's Spanish, and this was my dad in the time travel video. And this is my puppet I got from Puerto Vallarta. I haven't told you about Puerto Vallarta because I forgot telling you. But when I got this puppet out, I remember Puerto Vallarta, and I'm going to tell you. And so I'm going to show you a few steps with this easy puppet. So to move his arms and legs, he's kind of tied to his arms and legs. I wish there were 6 so his arms and legs don't go up. But since Dad is there, just to move his feet like that and go like that, walking on the floor, and then trying to shoot the gun. So all you have to do to shoot the gun is just like, you don't have to hold it like this, and then go like that. And then to walk, just keep on going like that on the floor, and then to run, just go like that, super fast. Look, he's gonna have like a seizure, like that. So I'm gonna show you on the floor right here and right now. So guys, as you can see, I'm right here on the floor, and you're gonna see completely how I walk him. So what you're gonna do is you hold it like this, and then you just walk it. See? Like, he moves his arms too because it's connected. If you guys get the 6 stringed one, it'll be easier to shoot because you'll just have to go like pew, like pew, 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 pew. And then just walking, you have to go like that, so it's easier. But I got just the 3-string one, so let's do it. Walking. Hello people! Hello people, I'm walking to that giant stranger over there. People say he's from time travel, but yeah. Voy a caminar a ese stranger. Y dijo que estaban de hora de chambre y voy a mirarlo. Okay. Who are you?
El señor. I punched you.
That senor punched. That senor punched me. He punched me right in the pee-pee. Right there. Right here. That senor is malo. So guys, that was a little movie clip of him going up to a man and then punching him. So I actually I did the voice in Spanish then English, so you guys understand if you don't talk in Spanish. I know Deb does talk in Spanish, but yeah, here he is. Hola amigos. Hi friends, ahorita te voy a enseñar cómo concentre. Today I'm going to show you to shoot. Ok, primero tienes que hacer esto. No, así. Así. First, you have to go like this. Like that. Okay, now I'm done showing you the pistol. Yatta. Da. Ah, he's attacking me! So guys, that was my video of my little Pedro puppet. He's a little sweetie man. So I hope you guys like it, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to do a video of next. And maybe my dad will buy the BB-8 and the BB-8 droid that's from Star Wars. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Bye. Oh guys, by the way, I suggest if you have an iPad, if you want to make YouTube videos, all you have to put in is your parents' email address and then put in their password, and then you'll get a YouTube account. Go on your computer. If you have a VidCam, you could go to Google and then take a picture. It'll say if you have to press access, and then it'll take a picture for your photo. Up, you know, when you have the comment, it'll show your little photo like right there, And so, if you want that, or if you just want the blue screen, or if you want just like a picture and not a picture of yourself, you could put that, or put whatever you want and make videos. Be cool. Bye. And comment, like, subscribe. Remember that. Write it on a note if you need to remember. Bye. Guys, this is my ending actually, so bye.